Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Citi Bikes in New York City. To begin, download the official app, which is essential for finding available bikes and docking stations. You can then select a membership option, such as an annual pass, or opt for a shorter-term pass like a 24-hour or 3-day option. Once your pass is active, simply locate a bike at any of the hundreds of stations across the city. Once you've selected your bike, use the Citi Bikes app to scan the QR code located on the bike's frame. Alternatively, you can manually enter the 5-digit unlock code provided by the app into the dock. Listen for a distinct click and observe the green light on the dock, indicating the bike is ready to be pulled out. Remember to adjust the seat to your preferred height for optimal comfort and safety during your ride. Safety is paramount when riding Citi Bikes. Always prioritize wearing a helmet, which is highly recommended for protecting yourself. Adhere strictly to all New York City traffic laws, including stopping at red lights and obeying street signs. Utilize clear hand signals to communicate your intentions to drivers and pedestrians. Maintain awareness of your surroundings, especially in busy areas, to ensure a smooth and secure journey for everyone. When your ride is complete, locate an available empty dock at any Citi Bike station. There are over 1,900 stations available. Firmly push the front wheel of the bike into the dock until you hear a distinct click. A green light on the dock will illuminate, confirming that the bike has been successfully returned and locked. Always double-check this confirmation to prevent any unexpected charges for an unreturned bike.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.